Welcome to the annual career fair organized by Webster University in Tashkent. 100 companies are here to offer the job positions right on the spot. With Webster, get closer to your dream job and enhance your career goals.
To give the floor to the interim rector of Webster University in Tashkent and executive director Rasul Rahmanov and Dr. Anthony Jarvis.
This is actually not just a career fair, this is an integral part of the Webster approach to education. It's a bit like professional matchmaking. You've got to keep working at it and you've got to keep trying it and make the most of the opportunities that present themselves here today.
I would like to wish for the students to seize the opportunity, and for the companies, hopefully we can establish a very beneficial mutual cooperation. So, good luck everyone. Welcome again.
Welcome. I have just opened the career fair at Webster University in Tashkent. There are 100 companies here offering over 1,000 job opportunities on the spot to Webster graduates. There are very few universities anywhere in the world who can offer that sort of opportunity. The really important thing to understand about this career fair, it's part of our approach to education. It's about building careers and opportunities well before graduation. Students come here year after year, build relationships with companies. We're very grateful to the companies and we're very grateful to the students who are willing to spend their time discussing their future.
2024-yil mehnat yarmarkasini o'tkazyapmiz. Bu tadbirimizda 100 dan ortiq kompaniyani vakillari kelishgan va ular hozir talabalarimizga 1000 dan ortiq bo'lgan ish joyi o'rinlarini taklif qilishyapti. Biz juda ham xursandmiz, chunki bu nafaqat bu mehnat yarmarkasi, balki talabalarimizni o'z hayot yo'llarini, karyeralarini tanlashda yoki boshlashdagi asosiy poyqadam bo'ladigan bir platforma sifatida qaraymiz.
I'm so happy to be part of this Career Fair 2024. I think this is wonderful. I think students should chase the moment, chase their dreams. So we are so happy to be part of their dreams, part of their career journey, and part of Career Fair 2024.
We are Sanomi. We are super new in your country, Sanomi, Uzbekistan. I want to say thank you for a team who already invited to us to here. This is a very good chance for us, for your team also.
Hello everyone, my name is Karina. I'm a marketing assistant at Baikal Tech, and this is the company that is based on the AR product development. So actually I'm also a student at Webster University in Tashkent, and thanks for the career fair, I actually found the job at this company with the prosperous developments for the students. Join us for more.
Добрый день, меня зовут Жураева Саревноз, я являюсь начальником отдела в компании «Ускар». Благодаря данной ярмарке вакансий в университете Webster мы можем найти юных талантов для того, чтобы они могли принести пользу, работая в нашей компании, в нашей стране.
Hello everyone, my name is Alihan Khagbirdev and I am a sophomore student at Webster University. And as you might have already noticed, I'm also working for the British Council of Uzbekistan as an exams supervisor. So we're currently here at the job fair to introduce the opportunities offered by the British Council. So do not miss out the chance of being something great.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabuhat. I'm the Webster student at Tashkent. It's really interesting and informative fair for our students where we can find the future job and experience a lot of opportunities. So yes, I love these activities at Webster and hope you will join too.
Hello, my name is Berdieva Madina Bono and I am a senior year student at Webster University.
Actually, I was waiting for this day for 4 years.
We have witnessed a great event here at Tashkent. We have had career fair organized by university and other companies here. So generally, we enjoyed the atmosphere and made a lot of friends.
We are so happy that we have hosted such a huge event, Career Fair 2024, and we welcome everybody to be part of this event, both students and companies, that can make a connection between them and get closer to their career dreams.